Miss Kusuma.
Yes.
Hi Kusuma, how are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay. Can we start? We can start?
Yes.
Okay. So Kusuma, can you give me a brief about yourself?
Myself is Kusma. I'm from I'm from Gadag and I'm studying in Gangavati.
Okay. And you're in third year, final year of
Final year.
fourth year,
Yes.
final year of BSc now. Okay. So can you tell me during your clinical postings, what kind of patients did you see?
And I see OBG patients, gynec patients and labor patients, and I also poisoning patients.
Poisoning patients. Okay.
Poisoning and cardiac arrest patients. I also.
Okay. Okay. Did you come across any cardiac patients during your clinical postings?
Yes. No,
What kind of cardiac patients?
Actually, he's taken a poison and he actually first he suffering from the multi-organ failure. Then he taken a poison, so it suddenly affect the cardiac arrest.
Okay, he went into cardiac arrest or cardiac failure?
Yes, cardiac arrest.
Arrest, okay. Alright. So what do we do when we come across such patients? What did you observe?
Actually, I'm only saw that patient. The senior staffs are given atropine injection. And suddenly start the CPR and taken ECG.
Taken ECG. Okay. Alright. Can you tell me how do you check what all parameters do you check in vitals?
Vitals. First one is temperature, pulse, respiration, blood pressure, and fifth one is pain.
Can you tell me the normal values?
Temperature is 36.2 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
Pulse is 60 to 100 beats per minute. Respiration is 16 to 20 beats per minute.
Okay.
And blood pressure is 120 to 80 mmHg.
Alright. And can you also speak Hindi?
I can understand, but I don't.
Little bit?
Yeah.
You can speak Hindi?
I can.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Asifa Sheikh. I'm the Deputy Medical Director at Asian Heart Institute, Mumbai. We are a super specialty cardiac hospital and we are one of the leading healthcare brands in India. We are very excited to have been conducting this recruitment session here in Hubli. It was a wonderful session today. We have come across about 90 students who came down for interview and it was a very interesting interactive session. We are really excited to see more of you coming down for interviews and we are hopeful that we will take as many students from here as possible. So all the best and do appear for the next round. At Asian Heart Institute, we are a 230-bed hospital situated in the heart of the city, Mumbai. We are, as I said, super specialty cardiac hospital. We are known to deal with the most complicated cardiac cases of India. We've got, with respect to our achievement, we have treated more than 4.5 lakh patients till now. Our success rate in cardiac surgery is 99.4% and in bypass surgery itself, our success rate is about 99.8%. We have done more than 1,200 surgeries. We have done more than 4,500 complex cardiac surgery, which were said to be inoperable elsewhere in India as well as in the world. It is always an exciting journey to be coming down for recruitments, to interact with all of you, and to give an opportunity for all of you to come and work with an institute like this, where you can learn and you can grow with us. You can look up for a future path with us. A lot of our students are also moving to abroad. So we train them, we don't mind taking freshers, we train them and we expect our students to be with us for at least 2 years so that you can learn something and we also get at least 2 years with you so that you take up when you go outside, you take some good learnings from us and wherever you go, you always excel in your life. Thank you.
Good evening, my name is Vinay Kumar. I'm the director for WINS Nursing College, Hubli. So today we had Asia Heart Institute and Research Center for campus interview for nursing students, especially for BSc female nursing students. So we really had a huge number of students attending this interview We have got a very good response from hospital side, placing more than 50 students. So we are looking forward for another opportunity for our new BS nursing and GNM nursing female students on 9th and 10th December 2024. Hospital name is Dinanath Hospital. It is from Pune. So they have a big hiring coming up in our college. So I request all the students who are studying in final year GNM and BS nursing students to avail this offer. Come here, attend the interview. We'll be getting you a lot of details. We'll be training you regarding how to do your CVs and everything. All this opportunity is there for you. So we look forward that you will be attending these interviews on 9th and 10th of December 2024. Thank you.